guys. I think they need a ride.
Are you fucking crazy? Don't pick them up.
The girl. She went to our school 10 years ago. Her name was Sarah. She was Heroes of the Form.
We want to see you, Sarah. Show yourself to us, Sarah.
Get the fuck out of here!
We have to get to the car. That's our only chance. My God!